Hi Prima, I'm so excited to see you again, and I don't believe we are on the last leg, final leg of our coaching association. And I was just reminiscing our old times. We started our
Yeah,
association 6 months back, and here we are today. You are a focus mastery coach, and definitely this journey has been very powerful, and this has been very special to me, Prema, being with you.
same here, Sheetal.
You're
Thank
one
you
of
so
my
much.
best coaches ever. This
Thank
was
you so much.
fantastic. So, Prema, I'm just wondering. There's a lot to talk about you, and I'll share a lot many things about you. You were always so diligent about completing your project on time. You have shown keen interest in building your brand and building your expertise as a focus expert, and you have that enthusiasm in you. You're always fast track. It was wonderful being with you because my journey has also been focused in a way while developing focus in you. It was more of a focus association between us. so so fantastic. So Prema, I just would like to know, would you like to say a few words, certain things that you have learned in our journey so far in our business coaching association, something that you would like to share?
Sure. Thank you so much, Sheetal. Okay, so to start with, so this is for the viewers. I would like to introduce myself as a focus mastery coach. So this is a wonderful, I would say, title to be associated with. I don't feel like that. Now I get identified with this, being a focus mastery coach, I would say. And my name is Prem Sai, and I am a focus mastery coach. And I have 18 years of experience in this corporate industry. People, corporate and like knows me as a leadership trainer and coach. I conduct a lot of executive coaching sessions and training sessions and workshops in corporate. And it was always a dream after my coaching certification. I'm a certified transformational life coach and a certified NLP master practitioner. So I always wanted to develop a signature workshop. And then I was wondering in the last year that what would be that one thing or one such niche that I could work upon. And a very interesting thing happened in this journey is I have been practicing my yoga for 10 years and having like I'm practicing my meditation also, being a vipassana meditation vipassana meditator. um, I kind of didn't realize that I'm so focused myself in my daily routine, which very beautifully and subtly was introduced by Sheetal to me that, hey, don't you think that you're so focused throughout your day and you are so clear about each hour of your day and you plan so much? And how about, you know, channeling all your energies towards your this niche area, because that's what you've been doing. And then that was my aha moment, and I said, oh my god, I didn't realize this for quite a while, that I can place myself as a focus coach and I can help people develop their focus and create a conscious focus, I would say. So it's not about, about creating or stopping a habit. Again, I would say habit is again is a habit if it is not, if it doesn't come with consciousness. So, and energies, which I always, whenever I am in a conversation with my friends or with my even in my with my clients in my training programs, I talk a lot about energies. So I, and being a yoga practitioner, what I understand is energies are something which uh, it's like money. If you can invest that money, it would yield you more money, and if you do not know how to invest that money, it would make your life worse. And I'm so sure about that you can relate to this particular example. So similarly, energies makes us restless if we do not know how to channelize that energy, and that if you are not conscious and self-aware about that energies, where to channelize, that energy itself will not keep you in calm and better state. And that's these all things was like I was realizing in this coaching journey, that how being focused, and I was already doing it in my daily life, but then I was introduced to that part of me to myself by Sheetal, and that was an amazing thing that happened in this journey. And I was like, oh, it was like, it hit me like this. अरे ये तो मैं कब से कर रही हूँ. I was not realizing that okay, I can call myself as a focus mastery coach, because and the moment we in this journey we co-created this title, I felt being back home to my space where my elements were waiting for me to welcome me, which was already there in me. So it's like I think Sheetal uses this line almost many a times. I've seen her post, you are all that you need. And that's so true. Vipassana meditator, I understand what compassion is all about, having that giving attitude. So coming back to this focus mastery, being a mastery coach, focus mastery coach, I feel like coming back home and connected to the source of the resource, to the universe, where I will always have something to give to my audiences, to my clients, which I always do. But then being a focus mastery coach, now it has gone to the next level, giving even more and helping people that how significant life is all about. And when you get that awareness, that self-awareness, that consciousness, and attached to all your 4 homes, which is my USP, I always talk about it, body, mind, emotions, and energy. So when you take that consciousness to all these 4 homes, you become something else, you have never thought of. You become more of what you think you are, the best version of you. Because I'm sure everybody would agree to that we will live on this body and with this space of mind, emotions, and energy till we travel on this earth. So that's the best part, creating that consciousness. So this whole thing has happened with a lot of discussions, a lot of, at times we are also not agreeing to each other's suggestions and all that. And then the churning was happening, and from the churning, that manthan, something great always had come up. So let it be any coach, I'm saying, like, and I'm bolte hain na danke ki chot pe. So it's something like, if you're working with a coach, ensure that you come with your willingness. Otherwise, a coach makes your life tough. If you're willing, and you will see कि वो बोलते हैं ना कि समंदर के उस पार heaven है, and it is so true. So have a mentor and have a coach in your life, and particularly if you're thinking about your business, if you're starting up, Sheetal is the name, I would say. So you can connect with her, and I'm sure in the journey she will make your life a bit tough, but then at the end you will relish your favorite whatever space that you're looking for. You will feel like coming home.
Prema is unstoppable when she talks about focus, guys, and because of Prema, in fact, even I have experienced a lot of shifts in my own focus. Yes, I saw my productivity has doubled in last 6 months. There were a lot of things that I was doing it a little inappropriately. And while building knowledge on focus, while we both used to discuss about what kind of a blogs we should come up, what kind of a books we should refer, I think my knowledge on focus has also developed, and specifically I see a lot of change in my productivity levels as well. So great, learning is twice-sided. We both learn in the process. I would like to, Prema, would you like to share with our viewers and audiences that as a business coach, what all stages have I taken you through in this entire association and journey?
Sure, Sheetal. Sheetal has been, an accountability partner, I would say, starting from the scratch. So she comes with a lot of research and analysis. So she's very clear about where she's taking you to in the journey going forward. And she helped me in, breaking a lot of limiting barriers, internal barriers that I had about the journey to establish this particular business. And she has a very well-defined coaching framework as well. So in the process, we discussed a lot. We did a lot of, I did a lot of, assignments in the process. Many things emerged, and I got to know about the next step and how to, how to develop that kind of thinking pattern also, so that I can focus on my expertise. And she was taking care of the results, and I was actually focusing on my expertise. So that has been an amazing journey. And I also in the journey started to get a lot of productivity and outcome also, as initially we had discussed about to reach to this outcome. So I started experiencing those outcomes with her knowledge, with her skills, with her the kind of research she comes with, and the kind of, she understands the market also very well. And with the coaching framework she introduced you to, is an amazing one, which really gives you a nice concrete roadmap to move forward.
Interesting. This journey has been so interesting, Prema.
Same here.
And definitely there's a lot more that we are going to do together as business associates, as fellow coaches together. There's a lot that we are going to do.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for this feedback. Hey guys, Prema is a fantastic focus mastery coach, and the way she has developed this craft and this entire journey shows in the way that she's leading her life now. There's a lot of changes that I've observed in her. There's a whole lot of difference in her productivity levels, and when she talks about focus, she's just unstoppable. She speaks from her own space of experience, and that's what I like about it. I think I would be the first one to attend her focus mastery session, which is gonna come up probably next month.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for this particular space. I'll be sharing out the details of her first session that she's gonna conduct. She's going to be live and talking about focus. This is a proper workshop of 4 hours. I'll be sharing you complete details about this particular program, and this is going to be a mind-blasting program. Will take your experience, your power to a different level completely, guys.